Good morning students, hope you all are well. So our today's video is about human growth and development. Growth and development are the most important characteristics in human beings. And through growth and development, the individuals can go through different stages of their life. Now let's see what is growth and development. Growth means increase in size, increase in weight, height, etc. Okay, so we can measure our growth, but development means the change in shape, form, or the structure of the individuals, the working efficiency, development of some physical, social, and emotional capacities. So we can say growth is related to individual's size, height, weight, etc. means changes in their height, weight, etc. and growth is used physically. But the development is related to different types of changes. It can change in our social state, or it can change in our emotion state, like this, or change in our shape or structure. So what are the difference between growth and development? So we can measure our growth, but the development, these are some behavioral changes, so we cannot measure our development. Okay, growth is limited to certain age, means after maturity there is no such growth, but development is a lifelong process and it occurs throughout our life. Growth is a part of development, but development is holistic in nature, means our physical development, mental development, behavioral development, and emotional development. And growth is related to the change in our height, weight, etc. But the development is related to change in all aspects of an individual. Now, depends on growth and development, we can divide human life into different stages. And during these stages of life, there is different kind of development and growth in their body. So the first stage is infancy, and it starts from birth to 2 years of age. So during this stage, the individuals, they have increased capacity in memory power. They can grasp anything. They actually don't have the emotional control, and during this time they do some motor skills like walking, running, jumping. They watch the fairy tale stories, and at that time they used to develop some motor skills like the walking, running, jumping, etc. And through this they start using their physical organ and internal organ in a balanced way. So the average weight of a newborn is between 2 to 4 kgs. So our next stage is childhood, and it ranges from 3 to 12 years. So during childhood stage, the development is very fast. They have control on their muscles. They most of the time they are used to play, and at that time they develop the thinking ability. The thinking ability increases, and they have the power of memory, logic, and thinking, and sometimes decision making. And during this time also they develop some different motor skills. So our next stage is adolescence, and it is between 13 to 19 years. So this is the most important and most crucial stage in individual's life. So it is supposed to begin from 13 years and it remains up to 19 years. So during this stage there are development of certain characteristics or change in our some characteristics. First is physical character. So during this stage the growth become very fast, and there is development of sexual characteristics in both male and females. The voice of females becomes soft and sweet, and in males there is development of mustache and beard. Okay, and there is muscular development and proper physical growth of the sexual organs during this stage. Next is there is also development of some mental characteristics. So during adolescence they have the ability to criticize anything or to take certain decisions, and curiosity develops in them, and they are very curious to know more things about people, more things about places. Sometimes they indulge in daydreaming, and sometimes they remain mentally absent in classes or also in home, and sometimes they become very aggressive during this adolescent period. So our next stage is adulthood, and it starts from 20 years and lasts up to 65 years and above. So during this stage there is some biological and psychological changes in human's life, and we can divide it into three stages: early adulthood, middle adulthood and late adulthood. So the first one is early adulthood, and it starts from 20 years and lasts up to 39 or almost 40 years. So during this stage our physical maturation is almost complete, and there is some slightly increase in our height or our weight. So during this stage our physical abilities are at their peak, because we have strong muscles and more sensory abilities, and our heart or cardiac function occur properly. So our next stage is middle adulthood, and it starts from 40 years and lasts up to 64 years. So during this stage the individuals almost experience a good health, but during this stage there is some signs that the individuals are getting older gradually. Wrinkles appear and developed in their faces, and there is some develop the organs become sometime non-functional, or some disease appear at that time, development of poor eyesight, etc. Individuals can develop weight at that time, and hair become thin and grey, and they are facing some emotional stress at that time, and there is loss of hearing and coordination or declining in this power at this stage occurs. So next stage is late adulthood, and it starts from 65 years and up to the death of the individual, and it is the last stage of the adulthood. So wrinkles are become more in their faces, and skin continues to lose elasticity. They lose muscular strength, and there is development of memory loss and some problems like Alzheimer disease. Okay, and some chronic disease also appears at that stage, like arthritis, hypertension, like this. Sensory organs become non-functional at that time, because there is loss of hearing and vision at the late adulthood stage.